Hello grade 4, welcome again with you Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. I hope you are all fine and everything is okay with you. Today we will continue our first lesson that entitled What is the water cycle? We know in the last session that the water cycle it starts from the evaporation and the transpiration process of water to form a water vapor, then the condensation process of a water vapor to form the clouds, and then the cloud become heavy and form precipitation. And the question is now, where does this water go? When precipitation occurs, much of water will not return to the atmosphere right away. Some water will seep into the ground, and water that is stored underground is called groundwater. So, after the precipitation, some water is go underground, and this is called groundwater. And the groundwater can be found near the surface or very deep underground. So the underground water may be found near to the surface or very deep underground. And we have some water that back to the ocean again. This is called runoff. The runoff is water that cannot swag into the ground and instead flow across the earth's surface. Too much precipitation may cause runoff, which flow into streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Precipitation that falls in cold places may become part of a glacier. And the glacier is a large, slow-moving mass of ice. Water can be stored in glacier for a very long time. Eventually, the glacier will melt. Melting glacier can increase the amount of runoff in a place. So, where does the water move? The water may go underground, and this is called groundwater, or maybe runoff, and this runoff when too much precipitation occurs, and then the water flow into streams, rivers, and lakes or oceans. And if this precipitation fall in cold places, they will become part of glacier, and when the glacier is melting, this increases the amount of runoff in this place. Okay, let's make a review on water cycle again. First, evaporation, transpiration. The evaporation is from the ocean water and transpiration is from the leaves of plant. Then this water vapor condenses to form the cloud, condensation process, and after that these clouds become heavy and make precipitation process, and the water from precipitation is will run off or go underground, and this is our water cycle. Again, first, evaporation and the transpiration of water from oceans and from plants. Then, form water vapor that condense in the air to form the cloud by the process of condensation. Then, these clouds will precipitate by the process of precipitation in form of rain. This water may be run off or go underground, and all of this is back again to the ocean, and our cycle will be again and again. Now we have finished the first lesson. I hope you understood the lesson well, and don't forget your homework. Please check LMS and answer worksheet 1 and send it to me on mail. Thank you for listening and see you in the next session. Bye bye.